Hey guys, I'm Kate from We Roll With It. Today I'm going to be installing a headliner shelf into my Sprinter van. There are a bunch of these on the markets. They're all a little bit different, but most of them assemble in the same way as this one does. This is one that I actually designed myself, so you can grab it from my website, which the link is going to be below for you. It has a nice little rung here for your curtain, which I think is important if you're going to grab one of these shelves. Look for one that does have a curtain rail on the front here. They're great for privacy and they're great for hanging your towels on. I'll show you that later. First up, here's everything that you're going to need for this install. These brackets here come with the kit. You're going to find 4 of them for the front and back, and you're also going to find all your nuts and bolts to attach these to your shelf. Everything else we're using is something that comes with the van already. You're going to need one of these or a flathead screwdriver to pry open some plastic pieces. You're going to need some Torx sets in a size 25 and a 20, and you're going to need an 8mm either socket or spanner. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is pop off this little cover here. Behind it you're going to find your little Torx drive there, and same with this one here. This one just lifts up by hand, and in here is another little Torx. Okay, once you've undone this, you can pull that out and just pull this forward enough for you to get the piece that has the oval, the short piece, in behind. Okay, and then it's going to end up like this eventually, but for now we're just going to put it down to the side so that we can slide the headliner in. Same with this one. I'm just taking off this coat hook, pulling this. And I'm just doing these up loosely for now until we've got the shelf in, then we'll tighten them up again. Okay, go ahead and do that on the other side with the other 2 brackets, and then we're ready to put the shelf in. Now that you've got those brackets sitting there ready to go, you can lift the shelf into position. Let's do it. Now I'm going to put all my attachments in. I'm just going to put them in loosely for now, and then tighten them all down together once I've got them in loosely. I can sort of adjust the shelf back or forth as I need and just make sure it's all straight and nice. Alright, once you've got that all finger tight and adjusted and you're happy with where it's sitting, go ahead and tighten it up. I did forget to mention that you are going to need a Phillips head to screw these in, electric or manual, whatever. So bonus points for those of you who watched the whole video, because you'll know this is coming. Okay, let's go. Once you're happy with how that's all looking, tighten that up, tighten these guys back up again, and then pop the covers back on. And there you have it. One headliner shelf, ready for all your storage and a place to dry your towels.